Hi, my name is Abhinav Goyal from Migration Centre of Australia. Today I want to cover a quick few things about the Prospective Marriage Visa and the sponsorship requirements for that. Now you need to ensure that you are at least 18-year-old, right? You need to be 18 before you are allowed to lodge a Prospective Marriage Visa application, and you must have met since you both turned 18. Second thing is, there should be no impediment to marriage. That means if either of you have been previously married, you need to ensure that you are currently divorced, not just separated. Now, one of the other criteria that we'd like to mention is that you must be personally also known to the fiancé. That means you must have met in person and you know each other and you can demonstrate that you have been in contact or been in touch and are intending to get married. So, once you lodge a Prospective Marriage Visa application and a sponsorship application, if it is granted, the Prospective Marriage Visa applicant will be allowed to come into Australia. They must be outside Australia at the time of application and at the time of decision. Once they come into Australia, they will usually have 9 months to marry. So you should both get married within the 9 months time frame and then lodge an onshore partner visa application followed by a sponsorship application. Now, that needs to be done again. Just because you lodged a sponsorship application for the Prospective Marriage Visa and the Prospective Marriage Visa was granted, you also need to lodge one for the partner visa application for the onshore partner visa. If you have any questions, you can contact us at Migration Centre of Australia.